Hi James, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this beautiful 2017 last year Dyna FXDB. It's a street bob. The mileage on it is a 3182 and the price is 17,888 plus HST and licensing. The bike is in absolutely perfect condition. Here is the kilometers on it. Yeah, that's the reading. Has an ABS, that's why it's flashing, so when you start riding it will disappear. Has all the upgrades on it, including the LED, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, LED lights, LED signals. Yeah, I don't know if it's visible or not, but yeah, here we go. It has a built-in signal lights. So it has a San Diego bars, it has a Harley comfortable grips, has a Bassani Road Rage 3 exhaust, has a S&S air intake, power commander, saddleman, step-up seat, 490 series, progressive suspension, and again, I don't know, a lot of stuff has done. Rides perfect. I've tried it myself, and it sounds amazing. I'm gonna crack the financing wise, you need to do the application, and then we do our best to get you approved. So please apply online. You can come here and do it in person. I'll send you the link, I'll send you all the information. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.